Hiya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you like what you see, please click the subscribe button below and like this video. So, I think I've gone bananas, literally. I'm going bananas about this. This makes me shocked that supermarkets do this. So, you know when you go to a supermarket and you buy your bananas, so many people pick up them in the bag. There's 5 bananas in this bag. They are 86p for small to medium size, but this principle applies wherever you go. Tesco's, Aldi, Sainsbury's, you get the drift. It's the same anywhere you go. So they're 86p for this bag of bananas. That is 5 bananas, the same sort of size. They are costing me 64p. That is nearly 30% less by buying them in a bag, which also is you're helping the environment, not buying plastic, or buying them loose. So the loose option is so much cheaper, and they are, if anything, slightly bigger in the bag for 64p. This doesn't just apply to bananas, it applies to apples, it applies to leeks, it applies to anything loose that you can think, even mushrooms and tomatoes. When you go in the supermarket and you are buying your groceries, please check this. Look at the weight per item, and then you can see and check it out, because obviously over an amount of time, this will really save you money. Up to nearly 30% on one product. Imagine if you were doing that over 10 items, over a week, over a month, over a year. You get the idea. You're going to be saving a lot of money. Thanks again for watching. I know we've gone a little bit bananas today, but if you do like what you see, please hit the subscribe button below. I always ask you, I know you're fabulous and you do, hit the like button and please head over.